What's up?
What's up? What's the word?
You know, you got the off-whites coming.
Man, I'm gonna see you in 2 days. If I have them? I got the one with the drug addicts chain.
This is different. It's a Lamborghini Aventador, but you know, last three letters on the back it says SBJ. I know you ain't got this. Convertible. Lucky. Red. For the race.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Blake, back with another video. Today we have something very special. I'm very excited to show you guys and introduce you guys to Colin. What's up, G? Basically, today we're gonna be showing you guys his crazy sneaker collection as well as his family's car collection, which is pretty insane. We're starting it off here. Is this just like your kick it area? Like when you have the girls over? All right, so this is like the little area that leads into his room, so we'll follow you in.
All right, so first, you walk in and got some baby pillows on the bed and a couple things I just bought. So in my closet, got like an off-white rack right there, starting with the UNCs and the Chicagos, the Prestos, like all the OGs, and then new SBs. I like to beat my off-whites, so look like that. Got some Red Octobers, fire shoe, Easy One Zen. These are kind of beat. Trav One, obviously beat. My Dior's, SBs. There's a pretty special pair of SBs. These are the Freddy SBs. They were all supposed to be burnt. This is a DS pair. Goes for about $30,000. Got, you know, dad shoes. And then some Gucci. And then up here we got my Supreme Louis Vuitton and my Nike Air Mags. All DS except for the bags.
What's your favorite shoe that you have?
I'd say the Freddy's or Freddy's or the Red Octobers. I mean, those are just the two.
So you go pretty hard on clothing. You have a lot of babe.
Yeah, I have a lot of babe. I have more. It's just not here. Newest like the MCM babe.
Yeah, that was a fire collab.
This new collab with, I don't know
what is that?
I don't know. It's like Tokyo.
So you go pretty hard on babe.
Yeah, MCM.
Is it your favorite brand?
Nah.
Designer?
Yeah, I like designer. Then we got some box logos. I have more, just not in here. You know, the Woo box logo. And then, you know, the Cause box logo. I mean, no.
That's not the, that's it. I don't know the name.
It's like pen something. I have the Cause in my laundry. Another box logo. Just a bunch of random Supreme stuff. More Supreme. And then we got this box logo. And then this one, very
Gotta
special.
have it.
Very special. Gotta have it. Essential. Supreme Louis Vuitton box logo. Over here we have some chrome hearts. I have two of these. Some more chrome hearts right here. Off-white. A lot of off-white. Essential. You know. Gucci. Right here.
Yeah.
Shout out to Gucci. Always inviting me.
So this is all your designer stuff over here.
Yeah, we got some Louis, Dior.
Show them this shirt. This shirt.
This is.
That's special cloth right there.
It's different.
A lot of Dior.
Is
that your favorite brand?
Yeah, shout out to Dior too. Invited me to their fashion show with Travis Scott and Playboy Cardi.
Yeah.
Balenciaga, and just like other name brands, just like that I don't have much of, like Dolce, like some special Puma collab.
With Rude, yeah.
Amiri. It's Mike Amiri.
Yeah.
It's fire. I like the jeans. Jeans go hard.
So basically we're gonna go over his drip right now.
You know.
Takes it very seriously.
Yeah, big serious. You know. Rolex, Day, Baguettes in the face. You know, probably like 20 if you're a jeweler, 20,000. This, probably what, 40,000. The chain, you know, shout out Jimmy for the drip, you know, it's chilling at a light 40,000 appraised, you know.
If you don't have a lock, you're not about it.
Yeah.
I got mine right here.
Yeah. Oh shit.
You didn't see the lock, huh?
Big.
Yeah. His is huge though. He's trying to call him right now.
Yo,
Yo,
when do you want me to pull up with sneakers? I just got back in Miami. Alright, I'll come next weekend. And then 2, do you still have that Gucci Gucci two-tone? It's like a Gucci Cuban link.
a two-tone?
It's like rose and yellow.
If I have one, I got the one with the drug addicts chain.
Oh yeah. Alright, yeah. I think I'm a upgrade on the jewelry a little bit.
Yeah, you might get that one?
Yeah.
Oh, that's fire.
Yeah.
Nah, yeah, that was fire. That shit go hard.
Alright. I'm gonna hit you.
So hit me.
Alright, bet.
Recently, you've been hanging out with like the craziest artists. Explain a little bit to the people like how you got into it. Because now you're becoming like the biggest, hottest like plugs for these guys.
Yeah.
And they're all posting about you.
I mean, it all started when I went to my first sneaker convention. Bought a pair of Red Octobers for my boy, Mr. Souls. Shout out Mr. Souls. Mr. Souls linked me with Benjamin Kicks, the sneaker don. It's my brother. He linked me with Smoke Perp. I sold shoes to Smoke Perp. And I had like a little reputation going for me that was like Smoke Perp's plug. And after Smoke Perp, like Ronnie J. Then from Ronnie J, like I reached out to a few people, got to the Baby, then got to Gunna, Trippie Redd, Lil Baby, Lil Pump, that's my boy right there. The Baby, they all got me up there. Got 100,000 on Instagram.
Yo, Colin.
What's up?
What's up? What's the word?
You know, you got the off-whites coming.
How long is it gonna be?
2 days.
Man, I'm gonna see you in 2 days. I'm gonna call you in 2 days and let you know as soon as they come.
Yes, sir. Big drip. What? Album drops in 2 weeks. Go get that shit. Pre-order now. You already know. 911 Turbo Porsche. Right here. I don't know. Blake will put the price on the screen. Boom, right here. Pizza. Ferrari Pizza. Yep. Price will also be on the screen. You know. 48 GTB Spider. Yellow Ferrari. Huh. Talking lambs. You know. This is different. It's a Lamborghini Aventador. But you know, last three letters on the back, it says SBJ. I know you ain't got this. $800,000 car. Definitely don't got it. It's crazy. You know. Ferrari super fast. You know. Too fast. White rolls right here. Convertible. Bloody. Red. Still got a Phantom. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it's got a Phantom. You know. Got a Wraith. 4x4. And big body G-Wagon.
Alright guys, so we're gonna close this video right now. Huge shout out to my boy Colin. Tell him where to go check you out.
At Colin Stangel on Instagram. Be right here.
And girls Snapchat, right?
Yeah.
They can add you on Snapchat. Sheesh, so yeah, hopefully this video does well. It came out sick, my boy. You got a crazy collection. Make sure you guys drop a like on this. Get this to blow up because we spent a lot of time, and shout out to his mom for helping us too. So yeah, we'll see you guys in the next video. We're out of here. Peace.